Welcome to another video in Series 2, and today we're going to be looking at using the Hero Web part to show off some of our employees' achievements. The Hero Web part is a great way to display information across the organization. Click on Edit. Create a new column. Within Web Parts, search for the Hero Web part. Select the Hero Web part. Click on the pencil tool. Here you have options to change to tiles or layers. As you can see, they display the information differently. Select a link that you want the Hero Web part to direct to. On the tile or layer, click on the pencil tool. Here you have options to change the description or the imagery. You can upload images from multiple sources. We're just going to upload images from our computer. You can enter description and title. Here's an option of what it looks like if we change it to tiles. We can also change the focus of the picture, choosing where we want our users to focus on. We'll change it back to layers and we still have the same options in focus. We can also zoom in and zoom out within the picture. You also have an option to apply a background color if you want to, and the text is clever enough to adjust itself appropriately. We can also add a topic header on top of that as well. And you can have an option for people to click on the link to continue to read the story if the story is a news article or is coming from other sources. When you're ready, click on Publish. And your Hero Web part will be available, allowing users to see the advertised story and to be able to click on the story for more information. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope you've enjoyed it. Until next time, goodbye.